Can you tell which one of these hot chocolate bombs is made with a homemade mold? After decorating, these DIY bombs look just as appealing as the professional finish you get from using a silicone mold. In this video, I will show you how to make a quick and easy sphere-shaped mold using just aluminum foil and a piece of fruit. For the complete tutorial on how to make hot chocolate bombs, watch my video in the link below. To make a quick sphere-shaped mold, use a small, smooth, round piece of fruit, such as a plum. Fold a piece of foil in half twice to make 4 layers so it won't tear. Place the plum in the center of the foil and wrap it around the sphere, using your hand to cup it into shape. Once you have the first one, you can place it on top of the other to get your center line for good measure. Peel the foil down halfway and trim the edge with scissors. Remove the plum and continue to reshape and press out any bumps with your fingers. Remember to spray with cooking oil for easy release. To use the foil cup as a mold, spoon melted chocolate into the oiled cup. If the cup gets squished during this step, just reshape it before the chocolate sets. After the second layer has fully set, gently peel off the foil and voila! Have a hot chocolate bombshell. Just a quick note, when I used the foil molds with white chocolate, they looked a lot more bumpy than the dark chocolate. You can try and fill in the bumps with extra melted chocolate when decorating, or just cover it with sprinkles. Just embrace the imperfection with candy googly eyes. It is fun and it tastes just as delicious. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I love to see your creations. Subscribe to my channel for more recipes to inspire your life and feed your soul.